Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming another Empties, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. For some reason I've been filming a lot of Empties, but I do have some Empties and it is like almost 5 p.m. on a Sunday and I wanted to film an empty, and after this I will film a very small declutter because I want to get rid of some products. They are just cluttering my collection and I don't really like that. And with the empties as well, I do have a bag in here that is full, so I decided to film the empties today. Let's stop rambling and let's start. Like I mentioned in the first empties from this year, I will have the prices of everything down below. They are prices in dollars, but they are from Romania, so the prices that I paid for or something in those lines. And I decided to do that because it is very interesting to see how much money these empties are, and in a way I am spending a lot of money on these, but as well I am using them up, which is amazing. And yeah, so let's start. I do have my bag in here. It is from Bath & Body Works and it is a full bag, so let's start. I don't have that many products, but they are more than enough for a video. The first one is the Batiste Overnight Deep Cleanse, and this retails for around $6. I did approximate these values. I don't want to have 30 cents or something like that, but like I said, approximations. So this is lovely. It doesn't have a white cast, only maybe at the end of the product. This is great. I did test the new Olaplex one and that was in the disappointing products, in the fails. It is useless in my opinion and is so pricey. This year, this is the year that I really want to repurchase my favorite, and in some categories just have my favorites and be done with that category, because dry shampoo for sure is one of those categories. If Batiste will release a new shampoo like this one, this is I think newer, I will buy it, sure, but another brand or something like that, no way, because all of them are just not better than this one, and this one is from the drugstore. So why I am still tasting dry shampoos, I don't know. I just like reviewing stuff, but I need to stop doing that. Another product that I have in here, and is the product that I just used, is the Moroccanoil Color Depositing Mask. I have here the rose gold color, and this is my first wash after using this one. I really love this one. I think I used it. I have a tissue because it has some water. I think I used this one like 4 times. Yeah, I think 4 times, and all over my hair. So this is how much product you need in general. This is 200 mils, so around 50 mils per use for my hair. I don't have a lot of hair and it is long but not very long, so I really enjoy this product. It is pretty pricey. It is $33, but it's amazing, and it is a coloring depositing mask, so it is good for your hair, but as well it gives your hair just a bit of color. I do really recommend it. Then I have my favorite deodorant. This is the Dove Invisible Dry. It is really good. Then here I have the Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. I'm using this one just to spray on my brushes when I am using shimmery shadows, and it is very affordable. I think it is like $4. Yeah, it is very affordable. I just purchased another 2 of these because, like I said, they are very affordable, so I don't want to put a very pricey setting spray on my brushes. That is not necessary. I do use more expensive setting sprays on my face. Then I have another Garnier by Fenty Micellar water. This is again my favorite. I always use this one as a step 1 of my cleansing routine, and then I go with a cleanser, and this is lovely. I really like it. And very recently I just went in a NYX store to buy the fat oil from NYX, and in Romania the glosses, the concealers, products in tubes like that have just a thing around them that is pretty sticky, and it is like a security thing, and after you are removing that, the product remains sticky. And for some products I just put some tape around it and just ignore it, but it is pretty annoying. The lady in the store recommended a product like this for removing that, and it worked. So if you have like a film of sticky stuff after you are removing the security label from a product like a gloss, maybe try a biphasic micellar water, the one with some oils in it, and maybe you will be able to remove that. It is a really nice tip that I just found out. Then I have the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. So this is an SPF, and this on its own is great. It is pretty hydrating, it looks nice, it is glowy, but it's making all my foundations glowy, greasy, and they are not wearing the best on top of this one. If you have dry skin, you will love this one. It is a really good formula and it is hydrating, but it's just not for me and for my combo skin, because I do have a oily T-zone. Next, I do have two candles from Bath & Body Works. They are $46 for two of them. I think I will stop buying candles for now and repurchase them again in the autumn, just because it is warmer outside, so I don't think I need a candle. It's just a vibe thing, but they are smelling amazing. I still have two, so I will burn those out, and then I will for sure buy some other candles in the autumn, because they are just amazing. And in the autumn, winter, and the beginning of spring, they are just amazing, and I really love these two. This is Marshmallow Fireside, and this smells similarly to the perfume from how is it called, By the Fireplace by Replica, Maison Margiela. But this one is even more like the fiery part of it. I really like it. It is very cozy. And this one for around Christmas time, it is spiced apple toddy. Oh my god, this smelled so yummy. I really like it. Next, I have some nail products. I decided to put all of them at $16. It is a very rough approximation, but I do have some files in here, and then I do have some nail polishes. One of them is a very bad one. This is from Cupio. I really hate it. It is very sheer, and I need like 4 layers for this one to be the nude color that should be, and I really hate it. It is a very bad formula. And this one from Melkior, it is nice, but it is pretty old, so I decided to retire it, and I just put the price of $16 for all these products. Then I have 2 pairs of lashes. The first one is Ardell Soft Touch, and this is 152, the number of the lashes. So if you want something a bit more natural, easy to wear, and pretty good quality, and from the drugstore, I do recommend these. I did wear them a bunch of times. The Ardell ones are $6, and this one from Beauty Bay are $10. I did ruin these ones. These are the style Dance. They are good quality lashes, but this style is impossible for me to wear, because I do have a decent amount of eyelid space, but these ones were insane. They were like here around my brow area, even above my brow hairs. They were too long for me. I did decide to cut them a bit, maybe just to see if I can make them a tiny bit shorter, but you can't really do that. So if you have a lot of lid space and all lashes seem too short for you, I do recommend these ones for you, but sadly they didn't work for me. Next, I have a shower gel. This is from Rituals. It is Indian rose and sweet almond oil, and it is a foaming shower gel. It is a very interesting consistency. It is an applicator like this, and it is like a gel, and then it is foaming up. It is very interesting. I really like the smell and everything about it. This is pretty pricey. It is $10, and for a shower gel that is just a bit too pricey in my eyes, and it is 200 milliliters, but I felt like this was gone in an instant. Then I have the Schwarzkopf Gliss Supreme Length Express Repair Conditioner. So many words in here. This is just a spray for your hair. It is a conditioner spray, and it's nice. I really love this product. It is $5, and it is very good at detangling your hair. So if you have problems with that, just try one of these. It is from the drugstore. I do really like it. I apply this one like every time I am washing my hair, and it is really nice. I do have another one in my collection right now. I think it's just another one of these. They have multiple types of this spray. Next we have the Bumble Bumble Thickening Spray. This retails for $14, and it is a mini, so it is pretty pricey. I do like it. It is a nice product, but I don't think it's necessary in my routine. It makes your hair seem thicker, and I do recommend it. It is a lovely product. I just prefer something like this one because I do have it in here. It is this one from Live Improve. This is the full dry volume and texture spray. I just prefer this one over this one because I am using this one when my hair is dry, and it has just a bit of volume. They are both really good products, so depending on what kind of result you want, this is a really nice product for blowouts. So if you are doing that very often, I do recommend it. It is nice. But if you are just adding a bit of texture and a bit of volume when your hair is dry, like mine right now, I could just spray this one in my hair and adds a bit of volume. I do recommend this one. Next I have the Fenty Skin Cherry Treat. This is the lip oil from Fenty, and I had this one in my purse, so I did use it in that way. It's nice, but you will see in a future speed review and in future videos. I bought recently 4 new lip gloss, lip oil kind of products, and I don't love any of them. I don't understand. It's just not better than my Sigma one. That is my favorite. Why do I need to try something else? I don't understand. Right now I do enjoy the Fenty Gloss Bomb Eyes for prepping my lips. So that product, I can see a point of it. Something plumping or something icy just to plump my lips a bit for preparing them for lipstick. But still, lip oils, I don't need to test any other formula, and I know that I will still test them because I'm just curious. This one is decent, but it's nothing special. I don't think it's worth trying if you already have a favorite, and it's nothing special in my eyes. Next I have my favorite sponge in here. This is the Mop sponge. It retails for $6 and it's great. I really love it. I have a lot of backups of that one as well. Then I have this one. This is the Geek Gorgeous Retinal Serum. This is very nice. I really enjoyed it, but I decided to repurchase the one from the Inky list, and now I do regret it a bit because that one smells weird. I don't remember the first one that I bought smelling that badly, so maybe I bought a bad one right now, or it was smelling bad. The only problem that I have with this one is that the pump is getting out too much product, so I use too much on my face, and that is okay. My skin is not reacting or something, but I went through this one pretty fast. I want now to try the stronger retinol from the Inky list. That one is 1%, and I am curious if that one will be maybe too strong for me, because I did use retinol for more than a year, so I think my skin, it is adapting. And I did use a retinol for about 3 months, almost every day, like 5 days out of the week or something like that. So I will try that one, but maybe I'm gonna use it 3 times per week just to ease into it a bit. But that is the next one that I want to try, and if that one is smelling weird or my skin is not loving it, I will probably go back to this one because it is really nice, even though the pump is just too generous. And lastly, I have the Physicians Formula eye booster in here. I just love it. It is my favorite. This one has only 6 months of shelf life, which is ridiculous. I had mine for probably a year and a half or something. That is not too great, but it was working still. This one is still working perfectly. I just decided to purchase another one because it is a bit old, but I just repurchased it and it is my favorite one. So again, a favorite repurchased. I am pretty happy. And these are all the products that I have in my empties, and I have the total amount for this one, and it is $251. I am spending my money on this, so it's great that I am using them up. And yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.